Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to solve this control system question. So in this question we have a closed loop system which open loop gain is 100 and its feedback loop gain is 0.005. So we have to find out its sensitivity for positive feedback and for negative feedback. So what we are given over here, first one is open loop gain. So we denote open loop gain as G of S. So it is given as 100, and the feedback loop gain. So we write feedback loop gain as H of S. So it is given as 0.005. So at first we have to find out its sensitivity. So what is sensitivity? So the formula of sensitivity is S G of T equals 1 by 1 plus GH. So here T denotes the system and G denotes the open loop gain. Okay, so this one is our formula for sensitivity. Now for positive feedback. For positive feedback, the formula will be STG equals 1 by 1 minus GH. Okay, for positive feedback, this sign will be minus. So just put the values here. 1 by 1 minus G value is 100 and H value is 0.005. If we multiply them, so we have 1 minus 0.5 equals 2. So for our positive feedback, the answer is 2. Now for negative feedback, the formula will be STG equals 1 by 1 plus GH. So for negative feedback, here the sign will be plus. Just put the values. 1 plus G is 100 and H is 0.005 equals 1 by 1 plus 0.5. 1 by 1.5 equals 0.67. So for the negative feedback, the answer will be 0.67. So this one is our complete solution. I think you guys understand this problem. So what is our keynotes from this problem? For positive feedback, the formula is STG equals to 1 by 1 minus GH, and for negative feedback, the formula is STG equals to 1 by 1 plus GH. Okay, so these two are the important formulas. Okay, so I hope you guys understand the problem. Thanks for joining.